Hello, welcome to Jagath Family Kids You. With me, Jagath. So we're gonna make an instrument called Ukulele. For the basics, we're gonna make it. So if you're starting, watch this video. So first, there's a record. Put your sister finger on the third flat, and these are called flat. So in the bottom string flat. So it goes like. And also, you can just you don't need it. Let's do one time. Okay. So now we're going to do that C minor. A minor is like this. Put your brighter finger at here at the top second flat. This is F flat. It can't get me wrong up. So it goes like this. You need to go in A minor and put one finger here. I think it's like that. And then here's C7. And then here's the you can learn the how the line. So down, down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up. Do it 5 times, and also I teach you a lot, but there's more. So there's one called E minor. It goes. So if you want to play Jingle Bells, we'll need a lot of. So jingle bell, wait, jingle bell, wait, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way.
இரு நான் பாடுறேன்.
So
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. What fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. What fun it is to ride in a what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
So that's how you play Jingle Bells. Now let's learn Senorita. Can you do Emma?
Call me Senorita. I wish I could.
But you can sing it too. So okay. So let's see. I don't know anymore. In the next episode, the third episode, I think I'll do ukulele when I'm done practicing everything. Bye. And also, I forgot to tell you something. So there's an app called Guitar Tuna. So you need to buy it. So and then you go to ukulele mode, and then if it's too high, then you bring it back yourself. What story is going to? So like that, and then if it's like you tell like it's kind of going wrong if you do one. So you need to do that. So bye, and subscribe to the channel. Okay.